Let's look at this question. 8 friends, Akbar, Birbal, Chanakya, Drona, Irawat, Arjun, Nakul, Sehdev, participated in a game consisting of 3 rounds, 1, 2, and 3. Each friend got a different rank in different rounds, and no 2 friends got the same rank in any round. It is also given that blah blah blah. So we have 8 friends that are participating in a game consisting of 3 rounds, and each friend got a different rank in different rounds, and no 2 friends got the same rank. So we'll have to create a table of 3 by 8. Akbar, Birbal, Chanakya, Drona, Irawat, Arjun, Nakul, and Sehdev. So for each of these individuals, we need them in 3 rounds. Okay. Round 1, round 2, and round 3. Okay. Now we know the ranks given in every round are different, 1 to 8, and for every row you'll get different, for every column we'll get different. So the sum of ranks in the 3 rounds together was equal for Chanakya and Birbal. So if the summation here is x, the summation here is also x. The rank of Sehdev in round 2 was higher than that in round 1, but lower than that in round 3. So we can represent that by the use of 2 arrows. The ranks are getting progressively better. The ranks are getting progressively better for Sehdev from round 1 to round 2 to round 3. Next, in each round, Birbal, Nakul, and Arjun got 3 consecutive ranks from higher to lower in that order. Which means if Birbal gets A rank, Arjun will get A, Birbal, Nakul. So A plus 1, Nakul will get. Arjun will get A plus 2. Similarly, in round 2, they can have B plus 1, and B plus 2. Similarly, for round 3, it will be C plus 1, and C plus 2. They will get 3 ranks from higher to lower in that order. Akbar was ranked first and last in round 2 and round 3 in any order. So either it is 1, 8, and correspondingly it is either 8 or 1 in round 2 and round 3. Okay. Now, Irawat got rank 6 in round 3. And rank 4 in round 1. Drona got rank 2 in round 2. And rank 1 in round 1. Chanakya got rank 3 in round 2. Okay. And that is the end of our consideration. This is the end of all the instructions that are given. So right now, based on the numbers that we have available, I'm simply listing out what all possible values can A take. We need 3 consecutive ranks in round 1 to be allocated to Birbal, Nakul, and Arjun. Can it be 1, 2, 3? No, Drona has 1. Can it be 2, 3, 4? No, Irawat has 4. Similarly, 3, 4, 5 is not possible. 4, 5, 6 is not possible. But what is possible is 5, 6, 7 and 6, 7, 8. So A being equal to 5 or 6, these are the 2 possibilities for A. Let's look at possible values of B. B cannot be 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, B cannot be 1 because 1, 2, 3 would imply Nakul and Arjun have 2 and 3 ranks which are already taken up by Drona and Chanakya. So that is not possible. How about 3, 4? Oh, sorry. 2, 3, 4 is not possible. 3, 4, 5 is not possible. 4, 5, 6 possible. And 5, 6, 7 possible. And 6, 7, 8 possible. So B can be anything among 4, 5 or 6. How about C? C starts. So C, can it be 1, 2, 3? Yes. Can it be 2, 3, 4? Yes. Can it be 3, 4, 5? Yes. But it can't be 4, 5, 6 because 6 is already with Rawat. Similarly, it can't be 5, 6, 7. It can't be 7, 6, 8. So it has to be 1, 2, or 3 for C. These are the possible values. Okay. Now, looking at round 1. Looking at round 1. Remember, Sahdev's rank has to improve in 2 consecutive rounds. So here, in round 1, he cannot have rank 1, cannot have rank 2, because 2 improving to something and then improving further, not possible. Can he have rank 3 in round 1? No, 3 is also not possible. 3 is also not possible for Chanakya. 3 is also not possible for Chanakya, which would mean in round 1, the only person who can have rank 3 is Akbar. This is guaranteed. Okay. Now, let's work forward. 1, 2, 3. None of it is possible. Okay. Who can have rank 2? Who can have rank 2? A can't be 2, A plus 1 can't be 2, A plus 2 can't be 2, Sahdev can't be 2. So the only person who can be 2 is Chanakya. So this is guaranteed. Okay. And now this is done. And beyond this, no precise ranking can be allocated to anyone in any round at this time. No precise ranking can be allocated to anyone at this time. So what we have to now do is, I'm putting this down as D. Putting this down as D. For A, B, C, and D. For A, B, C, and D, what are the possible pairings that can happen? For A being 5, B being 4, and C being 1, 5, 4, 1. Remember the sum of ranks of Birbal and Chanakya had to be the same. So I already have 5 here. D would be then 5. Yes, this is possible. This is possible. So how about 5, 4, 2? 5, 4, 2 would be Birbal, sum of ranks is 11. So Chanakya would need a 6, but 6 is already with Irawat. So 5, 4, 2 is not acceptable. How about 5, 4, 3? 5, 4, 3 would mean the sum of ranks for Birbal is 12 and Chanakya would need 7 more. So that is also possible. 5, 4, 3 and D turns out to be 7. This is an acceptable case. Okay. And all cases with 5, 4 are taken care. 5, 5 is not possible anyway because every row is supposed to be distinct. So 5, 5 is not possible. How about 5, 6, 1? If I take 5 and 6 and 1, if I take 5 and 6 and 1, then the D value would turn out to be 7. D value would turn out to be 7 because 2 plus 3 plus 7 is will be equal to 12. Okay. How about 5, 6, 2? 5, 6, 2. If I have 5, 6, 2, then D will turn out to be 8. That is fine. But 5, 6, 3 is not possible because if 5, 6, 3 is used up, then D will have to turn out to be 9 and 9 as a rank is not available. So all pairings with 5, all pairings with A being 5 have been listed. All pairings with A being 5 have been listed. Let us now work out cases with A, B, C, and D. How about 6, 4, and 1? 6, 4, 1. Sorry. 6, 4, 1 would mean the summation is 11, which would mean Chanakya needs a 6 for D, which is not possible because Irawat already has a 6. So 6, 4, 1 as a pairing is not possible. How about 6, 4, 2? This is 6, this is 4, this is 2. 12 is taken up, or D would need to be 7. Okay, this is understandable. How about 6, 4, 3? 6, 4, 3 would mean D would have to take up a value of 8. D would have to take up a value of 8. Okay. How about 6, 5, 1? 6, 5, 1 would mean summation of ranks of Birbal is 12. So Chanakya would need a 7. How about 6, 5, 2? Which would mean summation of ranks of Birbal is 13. So Chanakya would have to be 8. And 6, 5, 3 is not possible because sum of ranks would then be 14 for Birbal. And Chanakya cannot reach 14 at all. Also, 6 and 6 for A and B is not possible because every row is supposed to be distinct. So these 8 cases we get in big. These 8 cases we get in big. Now for these 8 cases, we have to check how many of these are possible, how many of these are not possible. We start off with something simple. Let us, I'm checking the cases in reverse. I'm checking the cases in reverse from 6, 5, 2, 8 and so on. So this is 6. This is 7. This is 8. If this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. Now see in the first column, the only number left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The only number left is 5. Additionally, for 6, 7, 8, 6, 5, and this here 6, 7, okay, 6, 5, 2. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Now from 5, in the next round, okay, I have 2, 2, 2 already used up. 3 I need somewhere in the first column. I got, yes, I've got a 3, I've got a 3, I've got a 3. In the second column, I don't have a 1 so far. 1 is not gone. 2 is gone, 3 is gone, 4 is left. 5 is gone, 6 is gone, 7 is gone, 8 is left. Oh, 1 minute. 6, 5, 2 gets me to 13. So this is 8. So if this is 8, this has to be 1. If this is 1, this has to be 8. So now in the second column, 2, 3, 5, 8, 6, 7. 1 and 4 are left. 1 and 4 are left. 4 cannot come with Eravat, so 1 comes here. So 4 comes here. Okay. Now if 4 comes here, can you see you cannot have a rank for Sahadev in round 3 at all, because it has to be better than 4, and all the 3 ranks that are better than 4 are already used up. 3, 2, 1, all the ranks are already used up, which is to say this case has turned out to be unacceptable. 6, 5, 2, 8 has turned out to be unacceptable, and we have to start our work all over again. This will not work. This is an unacceptable case. Let us work with 6, 5, 1, 7. 6, 5, 1, 7. If this is 1, this is 8, this is 1, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now in the first column, what is the only number left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is left. My 5 is left here. I need a higher number than that. I need a higher number than that. So it has to be 4, which would mean 8 comes here. Now in the next column, again, as soon as I reach 4 here, it becomes impossible to fit because 1, 2, 3 have already been used up. You cannot have a number for Sahadev available. Cannot have a number for Sahadev, which means this is also an unacceptable case. So you get rid of the numbers all over again. We say 6517 is not possible. Let's go 643. 643 8. If I get 8 here, I get 1 here, I get 8 here. Okay, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1. 1 and 7 are left. 1 and 7 are left. Okay, I'll worry about it later. This is 6. So this is 7, this is 8, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. These numbers are known. These numbers are known. So I will try to fill up for Sehdev in round 1. What will be the rank? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the only number left. Okay, 5 is the only number left. The next round, it has to be better than 5. 2 is used up, 3 is used up, 4 is used up. So this has to be, the only number it can have is rank 1. The only number Sehdev can have in round 2 which is better than rank 5 is rank 1. And this is a problem, but because now in round 3 he cannot have a better rank than rank 1, which is to say this is also an unacceptable case. We can't have this. So get rid of this case also altogether. This also becomes untenable. Now here 6, 4, 2, 7, 7 and 8, 5 and 6. Here I get how much? 2, 3 and 4. The only number left here is 5. The only number left here is 5. And here 2, 3, 4 is used up. The only better rank available is 1. And this is also unacceptable. I cannot have rank 1 for Sehdev in round 2 because in round 3 I cannot improve upon this rank. So this is also an unacceptable case. So we have to get rid of these numbers also. This is also unacceptable. And as soon as we remove this, the fun thing is, now see, can I be certain A is definitely 5? A is definitely 5. And if A is 5, I go ahead and mark this as 5, 6, and 7. This is guaranteed. And as soon as this is guaranteed, for round 1, Sehdev's rank being 8 is also guaranteed. Sehdev's rank being 8 is also guaranteed. Okay. Right now I'm checking 5, 6, 2, and 8. So let's say this was 6. This, because this is case checking now. So if this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. 8 is already used up here. So this will be 1. This will be 8. This will be 2. And this is also 8. This is a problem. Akbar and Chanakya both have rank 8. You can't have two people at rank 8, which means this is an unacceptable situation. Which means this case has become untenable now. Next case we're checking is 5, 6, 1. 5 goes 6 here. This is again 7. This is again 8. This is again 1. This is again 8. 5, 6, 1. This is 7. Okay. Now in the second column, 1, 2, 3 is mentioned. The ranks that are left are 4 and 5. The ranks that are left are 4 and 5. Irawat can't have rank 4, so he will be rank 5 here. This fellow is rank 4 here. But the problem is, look at Birbal. If he is 1, Nakul is 2, Arjun is 3. A rank better than 4 is not available for round 3. A rank better than 4 is not available for round 3, which again makes this case untenable. This becomes an unacceptable case. So now this is also gone. Now that this is also gone, now see, B is guaranteed to be 4. B is guaranteed to be 4. So this is now 4. This is 5. And this is 6. These cases are guaranteed. These cases are guaranteed. Now let's check a case. If we go 5, 4, 3. If it is 5, 4, 3, this would have to be 7. 543,237. Okay. And now 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Checking now. 8 better than 8 is the last decision point. For round 3, the ranks that are not allocated so far are rank 1 and 2 and 7. For round 3, sorry, round rank 1 and rank 2 and rank 8, the ranks that are not allocated so far for round 3 are 1, 7, 1, 2, and 8. Look at Drona. He already has a rank 1. He already has a rank 2. So we cannot get 1 or 2. He has to get 8 here. If he gets 8 here, Akbar will get 1 here, which would mean Akbar does get 8 here. Additionally, for round 3, 1. Apart from rank 2, everything is distributed. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 2 is left. 2 is allocated here. Now for round 2, what all ranks are left? 1 is left, but 1 can't go to Sahdev. 1 cannot go to Sahdev. If 1 goes to Sahdev, 2 would not be an improvement upon it. So 2 goes to Eravat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The only rank left here is 7. And this is an acceptable case. This is an acceptable case. This is the first acceptable case that we have found. Then this is not the end of the check. We also have to check for the other one. The other case goes 5, 4, 1, and 5. So if I go 1 here and 5 here, see how I'm recording it in different portions of the data, different portions. This is 1, so this will be 2, this will be 3. 1, 2, 3. If this is 1, this will be 8. If this is 8, this will be 1. Now in the second column, what all are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. 7 and 8 have to be distributed. Sahdev's rank has to get better, so he cannot get an 8. So he will still be 7, which would mean Eravat would be 8 here. Eravat would be 8. Now for the third round, I have ranks 1, 2, 3. 4 is left to be distributed. And 5, 6, and 7 is left to be distributed. 4 and 7 are left to be distributed. Because Sahdev's rank has to get better, he will get 4 here. And by extension, Drona will get 7 here. And now we have all the 8 ranks. This case is also acceptable. Everything is also fine here. So now we can get to the individual questions. Which of the following pairs of friends must be in 2 consecutive positions in each rank? Arjun and Sahdev. Arjun and Sahdev. 8, 7, 6, 7, but 2, 5. There is a case where 2, 5 also exists. So Arjun, Sahdev always being consecutive, not necessary. Drona and Chanakya. 1, 2, 2, 3. But there is also a case where they are 5 and 7. So them being consecutive, not always necessary. Akbar and Sahdev. Akbar is 3 in round 1 and Sahdev is 8 in round 1. So this is also not necessary. Therefore, the answer to this question has to be option D, none of these. Then question 6. The lowest rank which Sahdev could get in round 3 was. The lowest rank Sahdev could get in round 3 was rank 4 or option A. Next, what was the difference between the highest and the lowest possible sum of ranks obtained by Akbar in the 3 rounds? See, given that Akbar is getting 381 or 318, his sum of ranks in the 3 rounds will be identical. So the difference is 0. Last question, which of the following statements are true? The lowest rank which Eravat could get in any round was 6. This is not true in the blue case. He is getting an 8 also. So this is false. Next, If Birbal was ranked 3 in round 3, so red case that of then Sehdev was ranked 1 in that round. No, Sehdev was ranked 2. This is also false. If Akbar got 8 rank in round 2, Akbar being 8 in round 2, so the red case is being talked of. Then Arjun got rank 5 in round 3. Then Arjun got rank 5 in round 3. Yes, the red case is valid. This is true. So the answer to this question has to be only 3, or option B is the correct answer. This is a patient case checking question. You have to be very meticulous in recording everything appropriately. That will be all.